Hello, I am so glad that you're able to join me for another episode of In the Know, our weekly podcast featuring updates from across Brave Nation. We'll open with a friendly reminder about Martin Luther King Jr. Day, which is a federal and school holiday. All CISD offices and campuses will be closed on Monday, January the 16th. School Board Appreciation Month continues throughout January. We've been highlighting a different board member each day with social media graphics, and starting on January the 18th, we'll release a video from each trustee discussing how they think Community ISD can move forward together, the theme of this year's Board Appreciation Month. We hope you'll join us in thanking them for all that they do for our students and staff. We are truly blessed to have such an amazing group of trustees that always puts the needs of students and staff first, and are wonderful stewards of the trust our community has placed in them. In case you missed it, McClendon Elementary officially opened their new parent drop-off and pickup lane on Thursday. This new entrance, located on County Road 543, will provide significantly more space for parents to line up and make navigating FM 1138 North safer and more efficient for everyone. With this new entrance, parents will no longer be allowed to enter into the line through the staff parking lot entrance on FM 1138, or allowed to park there and walk their students to and from their cars. All parents must use the drop-off and pickup lane on County Road 543. For questions about this new procedure, please contact the principal, Cody.Gibson@communityisd.org. or Chief Morrison at Scotty.Morrison@communityisd.org. Please keep your eyes peeled for a special text today from our emergency text message alert provider. The number will be 67587. And if you want to start receiving text message alerts from the district, you must reply to the number with the word yes or the letter Y. As a reminder, Community ISD already communicates during emergencies with the Community ISD app, email alerts, and automated phone calls. We just want to provide an additional avenue of communication in the case of severe weather or another emergency situation. Don't forget that Community for Community returns on Thursday, January the 19th. This committee is made up of our 4 stakeholder groups: students, staff, parents, and community members. Community for Community will shape how the district responds to the rapid growth in Brave Nation, and they will have input on calendars, the dress code, and so much more. If you're interested in serving on this committee, please visit the link below. We're hosting a job fair, and you're invited. Please join us from 9 a.m. to noon at Community High School on Saturday, February the 25th. We'll be giving out information on the campuses and the school district, conducting interviews, and we may even extend some offers to potential candidates. Keep an eye on social media for the registration link. Thursday saw the return of a very special night at Community High School, the Course Premiere Night. This event gave parents and students the opportunity to learn about courses and programs available to them for the upcoming 2023-24 school year. The night also featured a meeting with our Advanced Academic Department for any students interested in dual credit, on-ramps, or advanced placement classes. If you have any questions about the course premiere night, please contact our CHS principal, Charles Ryan, at charles.ryan@communityisd.org. For more information about advanced academics, please email Kenda.Willingham at Kenda.Willingham@communityisd.org. Tuesday, January the 17th, will feature our first Facebook Live chat for the spring of 2023, beginning at 6 p.m. Topics will include an update on the 2022 bond construction campaign, a celebration of student achievements across Brave Nation, and a look forward to events taking place throughout the rest of the school year. We'll also take your questions throughout the chat and answer all of them live at the end of the broadcast. That's it for this week's In the Know. We hope you enjoy your 3-day weekend.